got asparagus, lion's mane, ginger. It's up in there, it melted some. Seaweed, and some garlic. Like it's cooked all the way down and melted down, so throw some up there on my plate. Some kiwi on there. That garlic piece right there. I mean the ginger, sorry. That one whole piece I kept in there. There you go. Lion's mane, seaweed, ginger, garlic, seaweed, soy, the salt.